Now I'm going to venture a guess that this organic chemistry is not your favorite thing in the world, otherwise you wouldn't need to come see me for videos. But I'm going to show you how to convert alkenes, that's molecules that have two carbons double bonded to each other, into alkanes, which have only single bonds. Now the way you're going to do this is with something called a hydrogenation reaction. Hydrogenation. They actually do this with oils and stuff like that to make, butter and other dairy goods, I think. But anyways, this is going to be the easiest thing in the world for you, because all you're going to do is copy out the original molecule without the double bond. Take a look. We've got a little hexagon here. Attached to this bit of the hexagon, we got a little CH3. Attached to this little bit of the hexagon, we got a CH3. And this double bond has now been shown as a single bond. Now, because we're using these stick figures, we assume that all the bonds we haven't shown are to hydrogen. This double bond has swung open or been broken open, and we've added an H to each of these carbons. Here, I'll even show it in a way that I'm not supposed to. Crossing out the double bond, you add an H over here, you add an H over here. Piece of cake. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that you need some kind of precious metal to act as a catalyst. Palladium works, platinum works, I think there's a couple others, but you need this metal here as a catalyst. It's able to hold the hydrogens in place so that they can attach themselves across the double bond. Long story short, you don't have it, nothing happens. That's not what you care about, though. You care about getting the right answer. And so when you get a question like this, double bond, and you're adding H2 with one of these metals like palladium, you're just going to copy out the molecule, down, up, down, up. You're going to make the double bond into a single bond, and you're going to add all the other substituents because nothing ever happens to them. And that's literally all you do. It converts double bonds to single bonds by adding H across the bond, or one H to each of the carbons that was in the double bond. Break open the double bond, add H to each side. That's what I'm trying to say. Piece of cake, son. Best of luck.